Okay, so let's take a look at some lighting. We're going to go to render settings and we're going to choose Arnold Renderer. I already actually use Arnold Renderer. I'd normally use V-Ray Corona, but if you haven't got them installed, then choose Arnold, and we're going to change to active shade mode as well. And we'll go to material editor and we'll create a physical material. Control A to select everything and apply it. If we hit render, it's all going to be shiny. So if we just turn roughness up to 1 and then hit render, you'll see that that's rendering okay. So let's go to create, go to lights, and we'll go to photometric, and we'll just choose free light, and we'll put that in, and let's just pull that up a little bit, and let's hit render and see what happens. Okay, so we can see that that's lighting the scene, but it's not actually producing any shadows. So we can go over to the modify panel and just turn shadows on, and you'll see what happens. We've now got shadows in our scene, which is great. So to change the color of our light, we can go over to Kelvin here, and if we pump this up, it's going to go bluer, and if you put it down, it's going to get more orange. So if you did want to change to a specific color, you can actually go to filter color and just change that to red, for example. So let's just change that back to white and put it back. So if you did want to turn up the intensity, you could change that here, and you can see that that's really brightened up the scene. But there is another way, and that other way is using the camera exposure settings.